If you ever come across somebody that you just don't trust, or they have zero confidence in their repair recommendation, or they just want to repair your entire house. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So another misconception or another statement that Angie's List has made is providing an analysis on the spot or while you're visiting the house or during the inspection. They say that it's more than likely you're not going to be able to. I kind of have to differ on this one. Mainly because we use state-of-the-art tools where we're able to get pinpoint accuracy in regards to how the home has settled, the area that it's settled, or if there's heaving involved with tree roots and things of that nature. Do we miss some from time to time? Of course we do. We're human. We make mistakes. But most of the time we are able to diagnose stuff accurately for you. I would say probably over 50% of the time, if not higher, we're able to provide you with a proper repair and a repair that would be approved by any engineering firm that we work with in Southern California to go ahead and fix your home with that type of repair. So if you ever come across somebody that you just don't trust, or they have zero confidence in their repair recommendation, or they just want to repair your entire house, anybody can draw that out. But to get down to the nuts and bolts of it and really give you a good explanation on diagnosing it, that's where it comes into play, the experience, the training, and everything else that we do here at Dalinghaus. So Angie's List, I am afraid I'm going to have to disagree with you on this one.